Do you feel like your partner doesn't prioritize you? Do you want to feel like a priority in your relationship? In this video, I will show you 7 effective steps to become a priority in your partner's life. 1. Set boundaries. We all want to feel like we're a priority when it comes to our relationships. But being a priority doesn't mean smothering your partner or not giving them any breathing room. It's important to set boundaries and find a balance that works for both of you. If you're always the one calling your partner, texting them, and checking in on them, they will start feeling smothered. On the other hand, if you never reach out or make any effort to see them, they'll feel neglected. Finding a balance is vital. Make sure you carve out time for yourselves, without each other. This will help keep your relationship strong by ensuring that you still have some time apart. Plus, it'll give your partner some much-needed breathing room. 2. Make time for them. Block out time in your schedule for just the two of you. To be a priority in your partner's life, you have to put yourself in their shoes. You need to think about what is important to them and make an effort to do those things. It can be challenging to make time for our partners in today's busy world. Work, school, and other obligations often take up our time, and we can neglect the people we care about most. You can make a schedule and stick to it. If you know that you're going to be busy on certain days, let your partner know ahead of time so they can plan something special. Also, make time for them when you're not busy. Even if you're tired or have a lot of work, set some time aside for your partner. They'll appreciate it. Even if you're not always available, just letting them know that you're thinking of them goes a long way. 3. Communicate. Keep communication open and honest. One of the most important things in any relationship is communication. Keeping communication open and honest is key to having a healthy and happy relationship. This means talking openly about your feelings, needs, and desires. It also means being honest about what you are capable of and what you are not. If you can keep communication open, your partner will always know where they stand with you. If you want to be a priority in your partner's life, you need to learn how to communicate your needs. Most people are not mind readers, so you need to be clear and concise about what you want. Don't be afraid to speak up and let your partner know what makes you happy. This can be done in several ways, such as through words, actions, or even gifts. The most important thing is that you make your feelings known. 4. Be understanding. Sometimes things come up that will prevent your partner from being able to spend time with you. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes things come up that will prevent your partner from being able to spend time with you. When this happens, be understanding. They may be dealing with something they can't control or don't have enough time for you. Don't take their lack of presence personally, and continue to be supportive in whatever way you can. In the long run, this will only make your relationship stronger. 5. Be supportive. Cheer them on when they need it. When it comes to relationships, it's important to remember that your partner is always your number one priority. You should support them when they need it and still be there for them when they don't. This means understanding when they're busy and being there for them emotionally when needed. Being a priority in your partner's life will strengthen your relationship and make them happier. 6. Put your relationship first. There are a few ways to do this. One is to schedule regular date nights. This gives you and your partner quality time together without distractions. You can also make time for each other when you're not together. A quick call or text during the day can brighten your partner's day and remind them that they're important to you. Finally, it's important to be understanding and supportive of your partner. When they have a tough day at work, be there to listen and offer support. And when they want to do something that you don't necessarily want to do, try to be accommodating. 7. Show interest in their life. Ask them about their day, what they did, and listen attentively when they answer. Show that you care. When you're together, don't talk about your day. It's not interesting to them, making them feel like they aren't important to you. Talk about their day instead of yours. Be patient while listening to their stories and answers. You can always say something like, "Wow, that's incredible. I had a rough day myself today." It shows that you're interested in them and will give them a sense of security and comfort. In conclusion, if you want to be a priority in your partner's life, you need to make sure that you are always putting their needs first. Be supportive, understanding, and loving, and make sure that you are always there for them when they need you. If you can do these things, you will undoubtedly be a priority in their lives. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.